napag-usapan na po ba kung paano yung no work, no pay sa mga senador?
That we have to amend the rules itself kasi wala po sa rules ng Senate yung po tungkol sa no work, no pay. So, kung inaano nyo specific senator that is absent, we have to, before we can act on the complaint against him or her, we have to amend the rules again about it. No? Kasi you cannot find that particular any provision on no work, no pay in any of our rules. So, yun ang magiging mahaba.
Senate at saka ethics.
Yes.
Sir, i-propose nyo ba yung amendment na yun? Or is anybody in the Senate pursuing that amendment?
Probably we can, if any member would propose that the rules be amended or propose inclusion of such provision, yung no work, no pay, then we can make the necessary amendment. Kasi outright, kung itutuloy namin yan, the case will be dismissed. Kaya nga, wala kasi sa rules namin eh. Di ba? So, it will be dismissed. Kasi it's not, you cannot find it anywhere in our rules. Sa ethics or sa rules of the Senate. So, we just have to amend the rules first and then probably they can refile just in case.
Sen, yung amendment introduced by Senator Ping Lacson dun sa ethics rules sa section 23, na ano ba yun? Natanggap in toto yung...
Yes, it was adopted and yung amendment, it was also amended by Senator Marcos. So, yung majority and minority, both, no? Nagkaroon ng konting discussion about it, but in the end, it was already adopted.
Alin ang
as amended.
Alin po yung amendment ni Senator Amy dun, Sen?
Just to include yung pong sa Supreme Court administrative order ba ron, no? Just to be consistent. May pinadagdag lang po siya.
Sir, sorry kailangan nyo muna i-amend yung rules ng Senate on no work, no pay bago nyo ma-hear yung ethics complaint ni Sen Bato?
I think so. Kailangan talaga. Kasi kung hindi, kung i-hear namin yan ngayon, tsaka pang not immediately kasi pang-5, pang-6 pa yon. And it will be dismissed, no, kung itutuloy natin yan. Kasi nga, wala po sa rules natin. You cannot find it anywhere in the rules about that issue on no work, no pay. So, kailangan natin in case, if kung gusto mag-prosper, kailangan i-amend yung rules to include no work, yung sa no work, no pay.
And what is the possibility, sir, of amending the rules immediately before the hearing nung kay Sen Bato's ethics complaint?
We will, siguro as we go along, we will have to discuss it with the committee members. Total, may mga 4 o 5 pang cases before yung kay Senator De La Rosa no? Pang-6 pa yata yon, so medyo marami pa. So probably marami pang chance that we can talk about it in case we have to really amend the rules so that yung pong complaint against Senator De La Rosa, just in case, may proceed. But as of now, as I'm, again, madi-dismiss nga yan. Kasi nga, wala po sa rules.
Pero sir, parang wala naman pong 1-year bar rule, di ba? Kung mag-refile ng ethics complaint.
Wala naman.
Baka lang maakusahan kayo, sir, na palibhasa si Senator Bato kasamahan, baka ma-accuse yung committee na pinagtatakpan yung kasamahan.
Paano po pinagtatakpan? Ngayon nga po, kami na nga po nagmamadali na ipasa yung adoption ng rules. Kasi nga, kasi meron nga may isang senator na nag-apila nga na dalhin muna sa body para the whole body can decide. But sabi namin, pinagbibintangan na kami, inuupuan to, and the committee cannot act on anything not until the rules are adopted and published. So I guess I already decided that we already have to divide the house para ma-adopt na and ma-approve na yung rules so that it will be published, so that we can already start. The committee can already start with the first case and so on.
Sen, following the amendments introduced by...
We just have to play by the rules. No? Hindi naman pwedeng dahil mainit yung issue sa isang senador, again, we will, first in, first out, just like in any court, no? Kung ano po yung naunang i-complain, then we will hear it first.
following the amendments introduced and may mga na-introduce din si Senator Amy doon sa Section 23, ibig bang sabihin lahat ng mga complaints ay mababasura na dahil may mga pending cases outside the
I
Senate
think yung
Ethics
amendment
Committee?
niya, it's iba po yun, no? Yung jurisdiction niya. Ano
It says doon, sabi doon sir na kapag may
Then it will
pending
be
case
determined.
outside sa ibang tribunal
No,
o sa
I
ibang
don't
body, pwedeng hindi na
Kung
dinggin.
basahin nyo
ng
na lang
ethics.
po, I think it's kung the committee may decide whether
To continue or
to
not.
proceed or not, or to wait kung pwedeng gawing pending while we wait for the other bodies. Kung mayroong pending case sa ibang court or sa ibang body, sa ibang agency, no? So may dalawang options 'yon. Kung binasa niyo po yung section 23, yun po yung bago. Dati kasi hintayin niyo na lang, but now the committee will have jurisdiction or may opt to continue even if there's an ongoing investigation.
Oo. So yung first provision niya, papatak talaga doon kay Senator Bato dahil pag wala namang na-violate yung complaint doon sa rules, walang jurisdiction ng Ethics Committee doon sa complaint.
I don't know. I think it will apply to all senators who have complaints. Pare-pareho lang. Hindi pwedeng kay Senator De La Rosa lang natin, I think it will be, applicable to all those who have complaints. Pare-pareho lang yon.
Sir,
Marami rin may mga kaso sa iba eh. It's not only Senator De La Rosa. Other senators have other cases with other bodies or courts.
Oo. Kasi yung kay Senator De La Rosa kasi wala kasi siya sa rules na yung no work, no pay. Kaya walang jurisdiction nga ang doon. Ang Ethics
And that's why,
Committee.
as I mentioned earlier, it will be dismissed outright kung ihihira natin ngayon. So, it will be up to the committee to decide later if there is a need to amend the rules to include that provision.
Sir, kung mag-a-amend po ng Senate rules, paano po process nun, sir? Kailangan may isang senator ba na mag-raise sa floor? Paano po yun, sir?
I think it's the Committee on Rules who will initiate, no, kung meron po sa it will be referred to the Committee on Rules, tapos yung Committee on Rules will discuss if there's a need, then na yan, kaya nga po yung majority leader as the chair of the Committee on Rules will determine if there's a need. Kung meron siyang magpo-propose siya ng amendment, then it will be decided upon by the body. So it will originate from the Committee on Rules.
Let me go back to Senator Bato's case. Pasensya na, sir, ha? Sir, hindi ba siya pwedeng i-discuss even if hindi pa na-amend yung rules on no work, no pay? Anyway, isang bahagi lang naman ng complaint niya no work, no pay. May iba pang issue sa kanya kaugnay. For example, sir, you can decide to suspend him or censure him nang walang usapan sa no work, no pay po.
We will have to confer with the other members, no. Hindi naman sa ayokong but I would like to give courtesy and respect to all the members to decide, no. Again, after all, I'm just there to facilitate. As chair of the committee, it will still be the members who will decide on all which direction to take, no? So marami naman dong at least we have our vice chair, si Francis Kiko Pangilinan, is a lawyer. Senator Marcoleta, representing the minority, is a lawyer. So at least yung mga legal implications, meron po silang mga inputs, no, regarding this, on how we can go about it.
May we know if ang nag-push para i-amend muna yung rules bago i-hear yung kay Sen Bato's ethics complaint ay ang minority members po sa ethics?
Ay, hindi po. It's us, no, as chair. Siyempre, nag-research din naman po kami. Kasi nga, nitignan namin paano itong mga present complaints regarding senators. Nakita mo yan kasi mainit yung issue. Uminit at one point in time kay Senator De La Rosa. Marami batikos, no, but wala action. Kaya lang, we just have to abide by the rules. Kaya nga nakita namin kung talagang pipilitin ngayon, it will just be dismissed.
Last na lang po talaga. Sir, kung ma-amend na po yung rules, hindi kailangan mag-refile nung complainant. Kasi na-amend yun
Pwede.
yung rules with no work.
Pwede. Pwede naman sila mag-refile. In case, kung yung kanbawa, ma-dismiss ngayon, tapos ma-amend yung rules, they can also refile. They can refile if they wish to.
If hindi ma-dismiss, sir, at maunang ma-amend yung rules, magkaroon ng no work, no pay, hindi kailangan mag-refile, sir.
Hindi na. Oo. Thank you. Salamat.